I am in Japan. Oh my goodness. Why am I wearing this mask in the room? I look a hot mess. Before I take a bath, a well-deserved bath, I want to show you guys my hotel room. I got 2 beds to myself. Oh my gosh. This is a nice room. Let me start from the door. You have to put the room key in this right here so it can turn on the lights. The safe, I don't know, a little place to put stuff right now. I have to record my temperature every single day. I'm guessing this is, what is this? What is this? I just took that off for no reason. Okay, looks like an AC. I got some slippers. I bought my own slippers, but these look nice. They got some room mist. I really want to try it. I really want to. Get it off. I really want to try this. Let me see. What does it smell like? Oh, that smells amazing. This smells really, really good. I think I sprayed my camera a little bit. Oh, that smells amazing. I can't stop spraying it. Okay, let's put that up. Some hangers, some towels. Don't know what that is. Ironing board? I don't know. A lint brush. Might be for the bathroom. Yep, that was the light to the bathroom. Oh, I was like, how do you open it? You have to turn up to open it. You can't turn down to open it. Look. Oh, now it would do it because I said it. It wouldn't turn down. So I am definitely going to need that bath. I haven't seen these on the metal ropes in so long. It's been like years. Got some body shampoo, some hair shampoo, and some hair conditioner. Never heard of body shampoo, so body soap. Face and hand soap. I can't wait to use that. That looks amazing. Got your cups. You got your toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, skincare stuff. What kind of skincare? Let me see. Aftershave lotion. You got cleansing oils. You got hair care. Fancy. Yes. I tried this toilet at the airport and I am loving it. Like, I hope my apartment has it because I love it. It had more buttons than this. It was amazing. It felt weird at first, but it's good. It feels good. And it tells you how to operate it. And this is to flush, obviously. You got your extra towels. This is a nice little bathroom. I can't wait to take a bath because I really, really need it. All right. So here's the room. There's the desk. Let me take my shoes off. I really don't know if I should have my shoes on right now. There's some slippers though. There's some shoes that you can put on. Here's the desk. They said that we can drink the water in the hotel. It doesn't cost extra. They said we can drink them. They look really good. They said that the tap water here is really, really clean. So you can just drink it right out the sink if you want to. Nice lamp. No smoking. You got your drawer over here, but all of my luggage, I don't know what I was thinking bringing all this luggage because it won't fit. It was a struggle getting it in here. There's this little couch. I guess this is a stand where you can put like laptop, your drink, your whatever. Message. That's a fancy looking phone. Let's see. Ooh, it is a fancy looking phone. That's cute. Oh, I just turned it off. I just turned it. Wait, that goes right. Oh, that's cool. Where does this one go to? Oh, in my face. That's where it goes. Okay, you got your pajamas? They give you pajamas? Dude, they give you pajamas. Why did I start feeling this way and then turn this way? Y'all gonna be so confused. But look, they gave me pajamas. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be the only one in here. I'm hoping that I'm the only one in here. It's really nice. Dude, I really want to show you the elevator because it's the quietest elevator I've ever been on. And it doesn't feel like it's moving. So I had to check twice to see if it was moving because it was so quiet. And no sound, no nothing, no movement. And I was like, and I looked, it was going up. It just wasn't loud. I think I'm loud. I'm not supposed to be this loud in a hotel. So yeah, that's my room. It's 22 degrees Celsius in here. I don't know what any of that is. And it's in Japanese. That's great. Let me turn this light off in the bathroom. I am starving. Oh, my stomach. They brought my dinner up, so let's see what they got for dinner. Let me put this phone down. This is dinner. Eat before midnight, I think. Nope, eat before 9 o'clock. I don't know. Okay, what's in here? They typed this so pretty. In this tiny bag, you have, oh, it's a salad. In this tiny bag, you get like butter, dressing, and your utensils and your napkins. And this is the salad. I'm gonna put the phone, like put the food right here and put the phone over it so you can see it. Cause I love their dessert. Their dessert is fruit, so it's like, it's really, really nice. Let me show you this dinner. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at this dinner, yo. There's your salad. Let's see, what is that? Looks like noodles. Chicken? Sweet potato? Olives? I guess that's to make a sandwich, probably. But it looks really, really good. I've been eating so well since getting on the flight to Japan. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. What is that? I forgot what those things are called. Why does it have that shadow? I really don't like that shadow. There you go. I don't know what those things are. I forgot. But I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. Well, that was my hotel room, guys. I'm in Japan. Oh my god, I'm in Japan. Oh my, I'm in Japan. Okay, but they don't want us to leave the hotel, even though I got a negative test and I've been boosted and everything. They still don't want anyone leaving the room. So, not room, but the hotel. I guess if you had a positive test, you couldn't leave the room, but I guess I can't leave the hotel grounds. I can walk around the hotel and outside of the hotel, but I can't leave the hotel. So I'm thinking about walking around the hotel because it's in a beautiful location, and I think it has like a Zen garden outside. So I'm in Japan. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm here. Training starts in the morning, so I got stuff to turn in and stuff to do tonight. I still have homework due tonight. Tomorrow night. Wait. What time is it going by? Florida time? Ew. I was going by my time, and then I was going by Nashville time. If it's Wednesday today, then it's Wednesday tomorrow for... Wait, is it Thursday today? So it's Wednesday. I got homework due tonight. So I gotta do homework, but I'm gonna go eat first and then take a bath and then relax because I'm tired. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm in Japan. I'm in Japan, y'all. I want to scream, but I'm not sure if I can be loud. You can't be loud and not as loud. I don't know. I want to scream so bad. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.